Hello friends, this is Chirag and approx 1.5 month back I have enrolled with Alexa and from then onwards I am making profits, uh, s- sometimes small, sometimes big, and yesterday I made a single profit of 61,200 rupee in a single day without taking much risk. And I completely follow Alexa lessons. I trade in the strike price which he suggests on group, and I take a stop loss and target according to my risk capacity. I don't wait for such a long targets, but I book simple small targets and keep stop loss as per my risk taking capacity. Thank you, Alexa, and I'm very impressed with his learning techniques, and I'm thankful to him. Thank you.